Hi everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my course Perform Predictive Modeling with MATLAB. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. These days, data is ubiquitous and abundant. Analyzing that data and then subjecting it to machine learning models, which in turn generate predictions, has become essential. Entire startups have been built using this as the basis, and established businesses use it to extend their capabilities. There are many tools that I use to do this, and MATLAB is one of the big ones. In this course, you'll learn the ins and outs of data analysis and predictive modeling through MATLAB. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include cleaning and preparing data for modeling, choosing the correct algorithm for a business problem, and training, testing, and evaluating a model. When you're finished with this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how to work through a machine learning problem with MATLAB. There are two prerequisites for the course. First would be some basic machine learning literacy. Secondly, some beginner-level knowledge of programming in MATLAB would be very helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to work on a machine learning problem with MATLAB with the Perform Predictive Modeling with MATLAB course at Pluralsight.